IP addresses. Fast Ethernet. Click mo yung Fast Ethernet ganda. Walang laman ang iyong IP, kaya hindi ikaw makapag-ping. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pa tapos ang iyong activity. Let's have another. Miss Amparo. Maria Asinya Amparo. So, si Angelica. Angelica, hindi pa tapos ang activity mo. Miss Amparo. Sige, let's try the same thing, Miss Amparo.
Hello po, rinig po ba?
Sige, ganda.
Ay,
Punta ka
wala
sa...
rin po. Chinek ko po yung akin, ma'am. Wala rin po.
Wala din. Ako naman.
Opo.
Kinakalimutan nyo. O, Miss Manuela Nadera. Nadera? Sige, Miss Nadera. Can you go to your server? Click mo gandang yung server. Yan. Punta ka sa config muna. Tignan muna natin ang config. Baka wala ding IP address. Sige, let's have your go to desktop. Go back to desktop. Then command prompt. Then ping 209.165. Okay. Let's ping 10.1.192.1. That one. Okay, good. Sige, give me a number, Miss. Sino siya? Si Miss Nadera.
5 po.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Miguel. Miguel Manalo.
Yes po, ma'am. Wait lang po.
Miguel, can you present your work? Sige. Miguel, for you, let's start with FA00 of branch 1. So, FA00 or go to your router. Yan. Kahit sa router na, CLI na lang. Yan. So, branch 1. Then you are to ping our ISP, which is 209.165.201.1. 209.165. Sige. Class. Then ping 209.165.201.1. 201.1. So success rate is 100%. Okay? Sige, you can stop sharing. Thank you, Mr. Miguel. Okay. So hopefully all of you were able to, again, paki-double check po ha. Baka matulad sa dalawa or dun sa iba na hindi na-configure yung ISP provider kasi given na yung kanilang IP addresses. Okay? So for today, we are going to have more about routing protocols and concept. Although I've already introduced to you during our elective one, routing protocols, we're just going to have a quick recap before we go to specific routing protocols. Okay? So we have the routing introduction to routing and packet forwarding. So this will be just a quick recap since almost tayo naman nakapag-umpisa na sa routing or sa configuration. So what are our objectives? We are to identify a router as a computer with an OS, hardware, and hardware designed for routing process. Kaya po kung titingnan nyo doon sa ating OSI layer, medyo nasa mataas siyang layer. Then demonstrate the ability to configure the devices and apply addresses and describe the structure of a routing table. So for this one, we are to discuss. So router is a basic purpose of a router is it is a computer that specializes in sending packets. So pag sinabi natin computer, meron din po siyang iba't ibang, meron din siyang storage and meron din siyang kanyang processor. So they are responsible for interconnecting networks by selecting the best path for a packet to travel and forwarding packets to their destination. So currently, yung ginagawa natin, nag-static and dynamic routing pa lang tayo. For the succeeding uh, meetings, we are going to show you or we're going to have other protocols wherein tuturuan naman natin si router. So, they have two connections, generally have two connections. One is the wide area network and the other one is the local area network connection. So data is sent from packets between two end devices, and routers are used to direct packets to its destination. So we have our LAN as our end devices, and we have our routers as our wide area network. So this one is the wide area network. So wag po malilito ha. So pag naka-wide area network tayo, usually naka/30 tayo kasi dalawa lang talaga yung kinoconnect natin na routers. So we have the wide area networks and we have the local area networks. So routers examine a packet's destination IP address and determine the best path by enlisting the aid of a routing table. So kaya makikita nyo, pag nag-show IP route tayo, nakalagay diyan ano ba yung ating mga makikita or ano ba yung ating connection. So this is our routing table that serves as a map to discover the best path for a given address. So for example, this one, C stands for connected or directly connected. S is static or static po yung configuration. Kung makikita nyo, madami pang letter dyan. May I, may R, may B, may D, and so on. Yun po yung iba't ibang routing protocols pa na i-discuss natin for elective 2. Then, meron din siyang asterisk. So, kanina yung nakita natin na present ng kaklase nyo is S tapos asterisk. That is to show that it is a candidate for default route. Kaya siya naka 0.0.0. So this means that your router is directly connected via serial 00. And another is we have static route directly connected to 00. So naka-serial po siya. Sorry, naka-static. Then we also have the fast Ethernet. So ito yung naka-fast Ethernet. Ito naman yung directly connected or naka-static route. So ito din po, maganda din siyang tinginan kung alin ba ang mga serial na ginamit niya. So for example, dito malalaman natin without even looking at the device itself, the physical device ng ating router, with this command, we can already examine na yung iyong kable ay nakakonect sa serial 00. So kung gusto mong malaman kung ano yung, kung siya ba ay DCE, DTE, we just have to show controller serial 00. So alam natin ang controller na itatanong natin or ilulok natin or isa-show natin. So, as mentioned, router is as a computer or acts as a computer. So they have CPU, which executes operating system instruction. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, pag nag-open tayo ng routers natin, meron pa siyang nilo-load. Meron din siyang RAM, meron din siyang ROM, NVRAM, flash memory, and interfaces. So sa interfaces, pwede siyang fast Ethernet, serial interfaces, or other Ethernet or other interfaces that we are going to add. Next. So, yan. So, when we open our routers, ito yung usually nakikita natin. We have the using the show version kasi minsan ini-skip na natin to eh or hindi na natin to nakikita. Using the show version command, we can determine ano yung software niya, ano yung model brand, ano yung kanyang ROM, and processor, and so on and so forth. Same with the number of interfaces. So, ito po yung mahalagang tinitingnan natin pag at tinitingnan natin yung router natin. Ilan ba yung interfaces niya? So for this specific example, they have two fast Ethernet, and two low speed serial network interface. So kahit malayo po yung device, kahit naka-cloud, katulad ng final exam natin before, nung elective one, kahit naka-cloud yung device natin at hindi natin siya na-open, we can picture out kung ano ba yung itsura ng router natin. Kasi we can check kung ilan ang kanyang interfaces, and we can also check the model and as well as the amount of RAM and flash. So these are the Ethernet. So I think everyone naman is medyo familiar na kung ano yung nasa likod ng routers. Then, so we are also familiar what are the LAN interfaces. So we use RJ45 ports for the LAN interfaces, and for the serial, we use the serial ports. For the WAN interfaces, we use the serial ports. So LAN interfaces are layer 2 MAC addresses, while one interfaces, oh, sorry. One interfaces are use layer 3 IP addresses. So so ito naman ay, so routers operates at layer 1, 2, and 3. So hanggang third layer po siya. So, how do we configure and devices and apply addresses? So, ito naman familiar na kayo. We have the device name, interface use, IP address, and syempre yung default gateway natin. Okay? So, some of the basic configuration that we also learned last sem, we have the router name, banner, password, and interface configuration. We also have the saving. So, lagi po tayo nagsisave ng ating configuration. So these are some of the basic show running config to uh, to show kung ano na yung mga configuration na nailagay natin. Show interfaces. Show interfaces is to know what are the interfaces na nandoon sa ating configurations or nasa ating router. Then show IP interface brief displays abbreviated interface configuration information. Can you try? Sige, let's call someone para matry yung show interface brief. Kasi yung show startup, show IP route, nagamit na natin siya. Yung show IP interface. Let's call Kate Samonte. Miss Samonte. Sige,
Wait
can you
lang,
start your presentation? Sige,
wait lang
ganda.
po,
No
ma'am.
problem. Ikaw ba? Ariyo. Thanks.
Tatanggalin ko sana ng speaker ko.
For others, you can type show IP interface in any of your router so that you would be able to see kung ano naman ang nakikita. Sige, miss. In any router, yan. Sige, ganda. Show IP interface. Show IP interface brief. Enter. Yan. So, kung makikita nyo dyan, it's like yung ating addressing table. They have the interface, yeah, IP address, if it is okay, or if it is, ano yung status niya, naka-up ba siya, hindi ba siya naka-up, and so on. So, nakalagay diyan po, hindi siya. For example, in this one, yung serial 01 to serial 03, mali, serial 01 and serial 03 nga, were not used. So, naka-down sila or unassigned sila. So, yun po yung show interface brief. So, pinaiigsi niya lang. Ganda, can you type show interfaces so that you would know the difference between show interface brief. Yan, show interfaces. Yan. So, kung mapapansin nyo, pag sinabi naman natin, wag mo muna gandang i-more. Kalma ka lang yan. Yan, diyan lang muna. So, pag sinabi naman natin show interfaces or show interface